Hello everyone, if your Hogwarts Legacy is crashing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Hogwarts Legacy crashing on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, and here you're going to go into this folder called local, and after that you're going to find the folder called Hogwarts Legacy. So just click on any folder, press H on your keyboard. Here it is, Hogwarts Legacy. You're going to open it up, and then you're going to go into saved, and here you'll have this folder called config. You're just going to go ahead and delete this folder. Don't worry, this folder will be recreated once you launch the game, so just go ahead and delete this folder, and after that close this menu up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here graphic settings, you're going to click add desktop app here, and then go to your Hogwarts Legacy games directory. So I don't have Hogwarts Legacy installed on my computer, so I'm just going to use any other application as an example. But you're going to go to your Hogwarts Legacy directory, click add on the exe file, and then scroll down on this list, find Hogwarts Legacy, and then click on Hogwarts Legacy and set it to high performance. And after that you can go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Hogwarts Legacy, you'll see that your game will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.